In this lesson, we will discuss the requirements for hardware and software for taking the CSWA certification exam. While not required, a dual monitor computer is recommended. The reason for this is efficiency. Ideally, your SOLIDWORKS software will be open on one monitor and the testing software will be open on the second monitor. If you do not have a dual monitor setup, you can always use the Alt-Tab keyboard shortcut to toggle between the SOLIDWORKS screen and the testing screen. Before having dual monitors in my classroom, I had students for many years use the Alt-Tab shortcut to toggle between the screens and never had an issue. Just make sure you try this keyboard shortcut before the exam so you are familiar with it. You also have the option of running the SOLIDWORKS software on one computer and the testing software on a separate computer. For example, a standalone computer for SOLIDWORKS and a laptop for the testing software. If you use this option, you will need to make sure there is a way to transfer files from the testing computer to the SOLIDWORKS computer. And this is easily done with a flash drive. You will be downloading parts from the testing computer, in particular for the assembly models, and will need to open these parts in the SOLIDWORKS software. The last item you need for hardware is an internet connection throughout the entire 3-hour exam period on the computer with the testing software. As far as software, you will need to have access to the SOLIDWORKS Standard Edition 2008 or later, or the SOLIDWORKS Student Edition 2009 or later. Using an older version will result in not being able to open some of the testing files provided to you from the testing site. If you do not have access to SOLIDWORKS, you can always contact a SOLIDWORKS reseller in your area for an evaluation copy. The last piece of software we need access to is the testing software. Let's take a look at how to download this software. You can either go to the website you see on your screen or go to the SOLIDWORKS website. In the SOLIDWORKS website, you will need to select Support and then Certification. And then on the right-hand side of the screen, select the link for SOLIDWORKS Certification Center. You will then find in the upper right-hand corner a button to download the Tester Pro client software. Let's go ahead and select this button and install the software. During the installation, you will be prompted with a screen to specify the language and then a second screen to register with the testing site. During this registration process, you will receive a password. Make sure you write this password down and keep it in a safe place. You will need this password each time you log into the testing site. After the software is downloaded and you are registered, you will see a new folder on your desktop. Let's go ahead and open it. And inside of this Tangix folder, you will find another folder along with a file. This is the file that runs the testing software.